afternoon. Now I'm going to give you another interesting, what you call a lecture. Do you really need a doctor? Or there is no need for a doctor? First, I want to share with you, doctor word is a dominant word. It's active, control. A patient is a passive word. So, unfortunately, the system has become so much westernized and complex and convoluted. And poor patient who's passive has become totally conditioned. Goes to a doctor naturally, and he or she, doctor tell them after history, physical examination, take their clothes off and examine them. And that's where the problem is. Because if you ask a young lady to take her clothes off, she will not take the clothes off. Because I know when I was in practice in United States, in Onaway in Michigan, and Zephyr in Florida, Newport Richie, and so on, I must have examined hundreds of female. Of course, we had a female nurse with us, but it is not like in India. Now the question is, do you really need a doctor? Can you heal yourself? Really, at the end of the day, looking at my own experience, you really need a doctor, a allopathic, when there's an emergency, accident, if a blood vessel is broken. Otherwise, all the chronic ailments can heal itself. Before a doctor gives you a medicine, body starts healing itself. Because the body has a built-in pharmacology itself. It has a built-in, what you call a biochemical machine which can heal at a cellular level. I know many patients, many people who I have talked to them, taught them how to eat properly, exercise, and live consciously, and they have never gone to a doctor. And they have become so super intelligent that they understand when they have to go to a doctor. We do need doctors. Now, in India, we have a homeopathic doctor. How much homeopathy is a real medicine, or is it all placebo? And that's another problem. 99% this is all placebo. Ayurvedic. Aryu means life. Veda means knowledge. But Ayurvedic now, they are using all the drugs. Now, is it a real medicine or is it a placebo? We don't know. But body, if you believe in it and you give a pill and you are given a command from a white code, that body will heal. Because body produces more than 1200 chemicals, biochemical, as soon as given a positive suggestion, positive feeling. And that's where the problem is. Our body is so sophisticated and is unlimited and is infinity. I know, I see my body every day. And I tell you, I must have operated practically every part of the body. And I've seen every disease. And now I look at my body every day because I am very conscious of the body itself, because I want to live in the present. And I tell you how the muscles have put together. Our body is a petri dish. If you put the right stuff in the body will heal. Take an apple. You've heard of it called apple a day. Take a doctor away. You see a mango. Can you make a mango? No. Can you make a banana? You cannot. And you cannot make this bomb. But you can make the drugs. Anyhow, I have written this book now called The Cancer Cure at Home Naturally. And there's a chapter, Awakening by the Master. And I can assure you, if you read that chapter and follow this instruction, you may not need a doctor the rest of your life. You can live consciously and die consciously. But anyhow, when you follow this chapter, make sure you work with your health practitioner so he or she can help you to live happy and healthy. Please order this book at Amazon Kindle or go to our website. I wish you a happy day, healthy day. God bless. Namaste. Amen.